never know. This just could be a brand new video series called Buying Cheap China Junk so that you don't have to. We're going to go ahead and use Amazon on this one.
All right, well, we just got notification that the box is in, but dude, what the hell? Check this out. Why is the box looks like it's placed on top of my car? And how is that the right way to deliver a package? I have never seen a delivery placed on automotive paint before. That's gonna get a review. So seriously, if this was your vehicle, and this is the way I've always said it, right? So like in the beginning, my guys would lean stuff up against. Are you kidding me, dude? The package is on the car. But my guys would lean the tools up against the truck. Now, my whole attitude about things and the way I taught my kids is that you don't go putting your feet on the dashboard. You don't do all this stupidness, especially like if it was dirty, sandy, muddy feet, right? Treat your vehicle or everybody else's vehicle like it's somebody else's, and the way I said it was somebody else's brand new vet. So while this ain't no brand new vet, are you kidding me, dude? You put the package on top of the automotive paint? What are you, fried? In reality, do I really care? No. Inside of this box is supposed to be $800 worth of microscope. Now, feeling the weight of this box, this don't feel like no $800 worth of microscope, dude. So we got a discrepancy here. I have a feeling we have a case of possibly false advertisement here. Because inside this box was this item. Not dude, I know I'm being dramatic, but guy, this is $800 worth of microscope. Dude, there's no way. I mean, look at here. Look at how I'm holding this. Should you be able to hold $800 worth of microscope? I don't know, man. We're going to find out, see if this is anything that's worth anything. It was $800, dude. It better be worth $800, man. I don't know. I'm kind of seriously doubting that this is $800. But anyways, this might be something that is kind of cool. I'm not sure. But is it $800 worth? I can tell you just from the feel and the weight of this thing, nah, guy, it's not $800 worth of, it ain't $800 worth of product, man. We've got digital HD, high definition microscope, all the way from 1 to 1000X, industry, education, college research, and biological mineral. So I'm kind of being hammed up just because of what this was. We've got the portable LCD microscope from Innovation Beyond Imagination. Continuous zoom system. It's got a super battery, QC inspection. So I did get this $800 worth of microscope for QC inspection of small parts, such as the axle pins that are available in the Red Cat Racing video. Dude, I know, $800. Spend $800 just to do that? Yeah, I don't know, guy. Something must be wrong with me. So it's obviously education purpose inspection, print industrial, that's just circuit boards, jewelry and stamp collections, textile industrial, biological inspection. It's got some pictures over here. Checked out, I guess. Looks like they're checking out a fake diamond, jumping spider, an ant, printed board. Someone was checking out their arms, or maybe that was their eyebrows. I have no idea. And then kind of looks like grass or something. 2 stent offs. What the hell does that mean? Oh, it looks like it's 2 different versions of the base. So it looks like we have a solid base, and then we have a base that looks like it might have rubber feet. This is just showing video high expansion. Okay. Available in all these different languages. That's a whole bunch. The only one that matters to me right there is the English one. I am Italian, but it's kind of, I guess I call myself a fake Italian because I can't speak it. But there you go. 5.5-inch HD LCD, multifunction gimbal, 10 megapixel image sensor. It's not really a high image sensor for something that was $800. Superior battery. Wait a minute, that doesn't say superior, dude. It says super battery. How is that super or super? Hey, Google, How do you spell super? All right, so it's got a supper battery, because that's what that is, dude. That's supper. So it looks like they put $800 worth of something into what? Made in China, baby. Working for 3 to 4 hours, so battery is optional. So what does that mean? Does that mean that the unit can operate with or without a battery? Or does that mean that I'm sorry. I am laughing because we all know this ain't $800 worth of microscope. I did get it on sale. It's the only reason why I got it. I saw that price and I was like, yeah, guy, that's a buy. So here goes the $800 worth of reveal. Kind of okay, I guess, packaging. It's the G5 user manual. Can take pictures, can video, no delay. That'll be good, I guess. I guess the directions aren't available in the 1,000 languages that they said. The instruction manual is right here, showing you all the features and how to use it. High power adjustable, blah, whatever. None of that matters. Powered on, press for 2 seconds. The on-off button. The M must be a multi-function key. So, screensaver, off. 30 secretary. What the hell does that mean? What do you mean 30 secretary? You mean 30 minutes? So 30 secretary, 1 minute, 2 minute, optional. Automatic shutdown. I love reading these things, dude. It's got a VGA circulating camera. Resolution is at least spelled right. The foremost video data will be deleted and the video will be saved. Yeah, I don't know, dude. None of this kind of really matters. It's got a flash card socket, light modulator, power DC interface, got the rest key, system restore button. If the machine cannot be operated, please press the button in this hole with a sharp needle to restart the machine. I'm sure that's going to be used a lot. Things look like they're kind of okay here. Words look all right, I guess. Color, you have nothingness, black and white, nostalgia, 7 grades for, yeah, I don't know. Kind of seems like all that stuff is said right. So, obviously this is just a toy. It looks like Lindustrial. Isn't that an L? So it's a Lindustrial microscope. All right, so here's the unit. It does have a piece of foam, probably worth more than the unit itself. We got a screen protector on here that we'll be peeling off, but I got to switch to a different device so that I can have both hands free because there's stuff shaking inside, which is most likely the base and probably the stand-up thing there. So, the stand. If you saw how this was mounted, dude, I'm still using the Pixel, dude. I didn't switch over to the GoPro. So, we've got some packaging right here. This is the $800 worth of microscope, which is an absolute stinking joke. The way this thing feels, it almost feels like the packaging weighs more than this entire unit. So here's the LED with the lens. So it's the camera that's right there. If you could see, look inside there. There you go, guy. There is your microscopic view of the camera that is inside this unit. So hopefully this will be something that's usable. Got the power button right there, brightness control, TF card, it's got the reset, which they talked about, and a USB 5 volt, which, wow, inside the box, amazingly, at least it came with, oh, that's actually not that bad, dude. That's like 2.5 feet cord. So ain't too bad. Comes with a cheapest brick I've ever seen. Barely any labeling on there, but I guess that's all you need if that's the power that you got. Here's the telescoping stand. It is adjustable. That's pretty cool. So, and it does have a tightening knob on the back. So once you get it into position, you can then tighten it. And here's your adjustment. And it's got a ring with a little keyed slot right there for no reason, because there's no key on the unit. Well, whatever. $800. This does have foam feet on the bottom. Plastic little base with foam feet. You got an arrow right there. So the arrow is indicating When you put this on, you click back. There you go. Clicks into place. All right. So here we go. What kind of batteries is this thing going to take? So it doesn't actually take batteries. So what do you mean battery optional? The hell is that supposed to mean? So they're lying, dude. This thing is just full of lies. Superior battery. Wait a minute. This doesn't say superior, dude. It says super battery. That's super or super. There ain't no battery optional with this damn thing. All right, so we can adjust. All right, that's cool. So at least you can adjust the position of this microscope thing here. I'm gonna hook this thing up to power now. So hook it up right there, making sure we're keyed the right way. Don't destroy nothing. $800 worth of microscope. All right. All right, I'm gonna plug it in for the first time here. All right, we got a red light. We got a red light. Oh, look at that, dude. Okay. So, got my finger on there. It's the focus knob. Wow. Oh, jeez. Okay. So, oh, look at that. So when you do that, okay. That must be focused in all the way. Whoa, it's not. Oh my God, dude, I don't know if I wanna. Okay, so that is 4x zoom. So you can see it's got a 4x right there. All right, so we did 4x zoom it. Let's move it out. Okay, so that's all the way out that way. Let's click the OK button. The OK button looks like it's doing a record in 720p right there. So it does have a record function. Click the record button again. Looks like there's 2 hours and 26 minutes and 54 milliseconds. Is that how that works? I think that is how that's going. It does have one of these little screen protectors here. Let's place this in here. Check out some gems. Okay, maybe not. How about if we adjust it? So this is the gem picture. So let's focus that. Wow. And then we'll zoom in. So it does kind of get in there, but I almost feel like this camera kind of does almost the same thing that thing does. I'm not sure what the point would be to going up and down with this. Let's see, we get the mode function, I think that's what that was. So we can change the resolution. Click OK. Oh. We got VGA, 720p, and then 1080p. We'll click 1080p. Oops, I hit the wrong button. So we've got resolution. We got Silic forward, exposure, time, date, stamp. Hit the other button. We've got auxiliary to the line. We got LCD brightness, auto power off, frequency, language, date and time, format, default settings, and version. Auxiliary to the line. I don't know what that means. LCD brightness. Okay. At least they spelled it right there. Because in the manual right there, the manual, it says 30 secretary. Yeah, I'm just going to leave that the way that is. What the hell's that doing? Oh. It's cycling through, so that's the video. Oh my God. What am I doing? No! All right. Frequency. Let's see. We got 50 hertz or 60 hertz. Go back. Language. Yeah, all right. So this obviously was a joke. This ain't no $800. Let's see if it even shuts off. Hey, look at that. And it shuts off. Obviously, this product-wise, and I knew it buying it, it was definitely no $800 worth of product. And that's where this Amazon crap is literally actually crap. If somebody actually paid $800 for this thing, they would be possibly absolutely mortified, dude, if this is what they got for their $800 worth of money. So I'm not sure like how Amazon, these sellers get away with stuff like this, but we'll see if this is something I can actually use. I'm not going to peel the screen protector off because most likely if this device put in a tripod does better than an $800 piece of equipment, it's only like 30 bucks or 37 bucks, I think it was. I'm sorry, I don't even think this is worth 37 bucks. I don't even think this is worth 37 bucks. So that's where this is maybe a new video series called I Bought the Product So You Didn't Have To. I don't know, dude. I got to figure out a name. I think this is a new series. I got Cletus McFarland on working on their truck. So this is RC Guy Garage, buying products so that you don't have to. Maybe that's what I could call this series. Buying products so you don't have to. What are you doing today? Just that damn $800 price tag is what kills it, dude. $800. What the hell kind of a world are we living in? Sorry, I don't even know how they could consider this 1000X, dude. I mean, I can see clearly what that says, and yeah, I mean, it does kind of zoom in, but 1000X, dude? Is that really 1000X? I mean, that thing right there only says 4X. Come on, zoom in on it. That says 4X. Where's the 1000X that they're talking about? Yeah, guy. I don't know about that. Buying products so you don't have to. The things you find out. So, this was by accident. I thought this was a plug-in only, right? So I had this plugged in, I unplugged it, expecting for this thing to turn off, and it's still running. So, could this be the $800 purchase of a lifetime? Spend some time with number 9. I don't know about that, but I'm kind of almost leaning to this might be something to keep. So I guess apparently plugging the thing in charges the unit. So, yeah, guy. I don't know, man. Whatever. Maybe it's in the manual. I ain't reading nothing because if they're calling second secretary, yeah, we don't need to get confused any more than what this thing already does. So, I don't know. Maybe it's a keep. Maybe, I don't know, man. You make that determination for yourself because I sure as hell ain't doing it. I mean, I suppose it's kind of cool. I don't know, man. I mean, that is zoomed in pretty good, but I don't know. This thing kind of seems like it does it too, but man, you know what? Maybe this would have value because it's static, and with this device, I'm like shaking all over the place and everything's getting all mangled, so I don't know, dude. Maybe it's worth it. I don't know. I'm not trying to be negative, but I don't know, guy. It ain't worth no $800.
Are you sure about that?
It's like the more and more I'm like walking around the house thinking about this thing. 37 bucks, man. I'm sorry. I just don't see it. I don't see the stinking product. I don't see the value, but maybe the value is there for somebody else. Maybe just not necessarily for me. Because, I mean, dude, I just bought $10 straps for the Ford Ranger. That's probably going to last a couple of years, and that's all I expect that truck to last. It's on its last legs, man. I mean, it is, but it isn't. I mean, come on, it's a Ford Ranger. You can't kill him. Right on the edge. Seems strong enough.